Welcome to part 3. In this lesson, I will teach you how to use the input and the outputs and how to create shapes by using equations. Before that, you must be aware in the functions and in the mathematical expressions like you see. For example, if you wanna draw the golden ratio, you must try this expression 2 by r theta and click enter. Then the program will automatically draw the golden ratio on the output screen, and of course you can change its size automatically like you see. Okay, now let's make the screen clear. Now let's move to the next topic. The second shape is a circle. How to draw a circle by the equations. To draw the circle, write this equation like you see on the screen, which is between quotations x minus h square plus between quotations y minus k square equals r square. Then click enter. Notice that the program gives you the opportunity to change the size and the location on the axes x and y. And of course, you can change its speed. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Okay, the next shape is the heart. How to make a heart by the equation. You will need this expression to write it like you see, which is x square plus y square minus 1 between quotations cube them minus x square times y cube equals 0. Then click enter. Like you see on the output screen, the program wrote for you a heart. As you want, you can change its color. Okay, now I'll draw a moving one. Well, it's a bit hard, but it's worth it. And now let's delete the first one. Okay, I'm gonna make it from minus 10 to 10. You can change the increment and the step and its speed from its settings like you see. Okay, let me make it another time to be clear for you because it's a very important step. Finally, the next move will be harder. You will need those expressions to draw a smiley face. I will let you read them at the end of the video. You need to be very patient to draw the smiley face. Read the expressions at the end carefully, because if you change any number, it will change everything. Okay, the first expression is for the face, which is a circle function. The second one is for the nose, which is an ellipse. Now, the third expression is for the eye, which is a straight function. The fourth one is the square function of the other eye. The final one is the mouth, and it's an increasing and decreasing function.